here is the spinal cord, which is bundles of nerve fibers. And then you have the medulla, which is the most inferior part of the brainstem. And then you have the pons, which contains nerve tracts. And then you have the midbrain, which is small central part of brainstem. And then you have the hypothalamus, which is a component of the endocrine system. And then just a little bit above it, you have the hypothalamus, which is inferior to the thalamus. And then you have the optic nerve right here, and it's a second pair of cranial nerves. Right here is the optically bulb, which contains cell bodies of neurons. And then you have the thalamus, which serves as a sensory relay center. And then you have the cerebrum, which controls balance and muscle coordination. And then over here, you have the pineal gland, which secretes melatonin. And then up here, just right here, you have the septum pellicreum, which is a ventricle double membrane. And then right here, right there, is the corpus callosum, which is a large band of nerve tissue. And then above it, right here, you have the gyrus, which is one of the folds. And then right on the folds, and then right above it, right here, this line right here, is a celicus, which is a grove between gyrus of brain. And then you have a fourth ventricle right here, and that is a fluid-filled cavities. And then you have the cerebrum right here, and it's two hemispheres. And then on top right here is the cortex, and it's the outer portion of the cerebrum.